Today, we're building a simple but powerful water level indicator circuit using transistors and LEDs. This is a great project for beginners in electronics or DIY enthusiasts who want to monitor water tank levels easily and effectively. But first, where can this project be useful? In overhead water tanks, in sumps or underground tanks, for preventing overflow. We're using a 9V battery, for LEDs to indicate different water levels, for NPN transistors, BC547, 470 ohm resistors, and water level sensing wires inserted into the tank at different heights. Let's wire everything up as shown in the diagram. Here's how it works. As the water level rises, it connects the positive voltage from the bottom probe to each sensing probe at different heights. This small current flows to the base of the transistor, switching it on. When the transistor is on, it allows current to flow through the LED, lighting it up, so, the higher the water level, the more LEDs turn on, giving a clear visual indication of the water height, and here are the results. When water is at the lowest level, no LEDs are on. As it touches the first probe, the green LED lights up. As it rises more, orange, blue, and yellow LEDs light up one by one. At the top level, all 4 LEDs are glowing. Your tank is full, and that's it. A simple and effective water level indicator you can build at home or school. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome DIY electronics projects.